Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick review. So I just got the mini PC ACEMAGIC. Of course, I will scan it for any kind of viruses or anything like that, but this is the one I got. It's $300. I got it for Labor Day, but I believe it does go for $300. So this is the one I'm replacing. Since I have a Power PC, this is for my son. So as you can see, I just got it in the mail. I did order it through Amazon, so I will leave the description below. And I did get the insurance through ACEMAGICIan through Amazon just in case. Just at $300, so it's time to replace it. He just wants to play Fortnite and Minecraft and all that stuff, so I think this should be able to handle it. And I will be testing AAA games on it as well. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description below, but this was a 5 series Ryzen. So let's go ahead and just do an unboxing. As you can see, there it is. Mini PC. Like I said, he doesn't need anything crazy. I have a more expensive PC, but you know, I'm the adult here. But let's go ahead and open it up. It's kind of like a what's it called? Apple box. All right, so definitely can't do it with one hand, guys. Whoa, here it is. It's 16 gigs of RAM. You can upgrade that, which I probably will. But it says for faster setup, avoid Wi-Fi and LAN, initiating connecting might trigger long updates, delay desktop settings. Exclusive WhatsApp customer service. I believe this is a Chinese company, so there's the contact stuff. Here is more stuff down there. Kindly note the faster setup. Yeah, it's just saying, avoid connecting it to Wi-Fi, but pretty small. They're not kidding when they say it's a mini gaming PC. So here are some stuff there: Ryzen Pro 7 and AMD Radeon graphics. Pretty cool. So this is what you get. Mini PC user manual. Like I said, I did get the insurance through ACEMAGICIan, which is offered through Amazon just in case anything goes crazy with this PC. So if you guys want to take a look, guys, I will be doing some testing with it, some benchmarks and everything. So this is what you get. Is just a power cable and a HDMI cable. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, that's unboxing. If you want a full review, let me know. I will be doing more videos on this product.